So this is the old ice maker supply valve, and it doesn't shut off. And as you can see, it's sweated in. For now, I'm just going to cap it, and then later, whenever I actually renovate this kitchen, I will probably move it and replace it some. So I don't know if you can see, but I've placed my heat shield back there. I have my cutter, I have my dresser, and I've already prepared my cap, and I'm ready to go. Sorry. Now when you're using these cutters, you always want to turn it so that the cutting wheel is first. At least I do. I find that when I do it that way, it is less likely to turn on me. If it does in fact turn, you have to move down farther to get past that squirrely cut. And I should have taken the nails out of this box before I started cutting, because I'm going to have to do that before I solder on my cap. I thought this might be a better way to show you what's involved in sweating a copper pipe. Now, unfortunately, because this is a cap, I won't have any access to the top at all. I wonder if I can just, yeah, there we go. Let's do this. That's so much easier. More room. Okay. It's hard to go too much on the flux, at least in my experience. In fact, I'm going to go ahead and hit my cap again with the flux. Boy, that's a tight fit. Why is that so tight? Ah, there we go. Get everything out of the way. And my solder. I should probably take that off. Okay. Here we go. Probably okay. I'm just gonna make it a little extra sure. And in fact, I'm gonna go ahead and add some more solder to the elbow down here, because, oh, you know what I didn't do is pull the water out of there. Go. Got that elbow resoldered. Okay, we're good to go. That's it. I'll turn on the water and we'll see if it leaks. Oops. Okay, the water's on and there are no leaks. Let's see if I can. Yeah, it's an ugly solder, no doubt, but it'll hold water, and in a couple of weeks when I get to this, oh, did get my insulation a little too hot, didn't I? A couple of weeks, it's all going to be taken out anyway. Thanks for watching.